Hi everyone, in this video we're going to be looking at a simple trick to remember trigonometric function values for special angles 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degrees, or if we're working in radians that would be pi over 6, pi over 4, pi over 3 and pi over 2 radians. Are you ready? Let's go. First of all, remember that this is just a trick, but the fact is it's a very helpful way to remember these important trigonometric ratios of special angles. If you want to see how the ratios are actually deduced, then check out the separate video that we made on this topic. Okay, now we're going to fill out a table. The first thing we're going to do is write down the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we take the square root of these and divide by 2. So for the first value we have 0 over 2, which is just 0. The next is root 1 over 2, which is a half. Then we have root of 2 over 2. Then root 3 over 2, and finally root 4 over 2, which is 2 over 2, or 1. So from the left to the right we have the sign of 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degrees, and we'll put these values in the table. And from right to left we also have the cosine of 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degrees. Now let's do the tangents. Remember, the tangent of an angle is just sine over cosine, so we just have to divide the corresponding values of the first and second rows, and when we get a root in the denominator we rationalize. For the tangent of 0 we have 0 divided by 1, which is just 0. For the tangent of 30 degrees it's a half divided by root 3 over 2, which simplifies to 1 over root 3. As we have a root in the denominator, we rationalize by multiplying top and bottom by the root of the denominator, giving root 3 over 3. For the tangent of 45 degrees, anything divided by itself is 1, so tan 45 degrees is 1. For the tangent of 60 degrees, we've got root 3 over 1, which is just root 3. Finally, for the tan of 90 degrees, we have 1 divided by 0, but dividing by 0 is undefined. So the value of tan 90 is undefined, even though you might be tempted to think that it's infinite. More correct to say that the value of tan x tends to infinity as x tends to 90 degrees. But we'll explore this idea further in another video when we look at the topic of limits. Just a reminder that if you want to see how the values of the trigonometric ratios of 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degrees are deduced mathematically without tricks, then you can watch the video that we've made on this. Thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you again very soon.